In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your mouse cursor in Roblox. This tutorial will guide you through each step, making your gaming experience even more personalized and fun. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Sweezy Cursor's website. It's a fantastic resource for finding custom cursor designs. Once you're there, look for the Roblox cursor category. Take your time browsing through the available options and download your favorite cursor and pointer that you want to use while playing Roblox. Downloading files from the web onto your device is a straightforward process, but remember to save them in a location you'll easily remember. Next up, we need to access the Roblox player files on your computer. Open your File Explorer and locate your drive storage. This is typically where most of your application data is saved. Once you've found your Roblox folder, you're on the right track. The search might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once within the Roblox directory, navigate into the Textures folder. Inside this folder, you'll find another folder labeled Cursors. This is where the magic happens. Inside the Cursors folder, take a moment to locate the current default cursor files, specifically named Arrow Cursor PNG and Arrow Far Cursor PNG. These are the cursors you see every time you play Roblox. Here comes the crucial part. Remember the custom cursor files you downloaded earlier? You're going to need to rename them. Rename your preferred custom cursor image files exactly as Arrow Cursor PNG and Arrow Far Cursor PNG. This step is essential because the game recognizes these specific files as the default cursor images, so any mismatch in file names will cause it to revert to the standard icons. With your custom cursors properly renamed, it's time to make the swap. Simply replace the default cursor files you identified earlier with these newly renamed files. I recommend backing up the original files just in case you want to switch back in the future. All set? Excellent. Finally, the moment of truth awaits. Open up Roblox and start a game. If everything is in place, your new custom cursor should now appear, providing a fresh look to your gaming setup. This is a simple yet effective way to personalize your Roblox experience and truly make the game your own. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully learned how to change your mouse cursor in Roblox. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to share this video with your friends who might also love a bit of gaming customization. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.